In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. Reports are one of the most powerful features in Zoho Books because they give you a clear picture of how your business is doing. You can see your income and expenses, check who still owes you money, review your taxes, and much more. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of finding a report, choosing the one you need, setting the right date range, and then running it so you get accurate, meaningful information. First, start by signing into your Zoho Books account and heading to the main dashboard. From here, look for the section or tab labeled Reports. This is usually located in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Reports. This takes you to the central place where all your available reports are organized. Once you're on the Reports page, you'll see different categories of reports, such as sales, purchases, accounting, taxes, and more, depending on your setup. Take a moment to scan through them and think about what kind of information you need. For example, if you want to see how much revenue you made over the last month, you might look for a sales or profit and loss report. When you've found the one that suits your needs, select that report by clicking on its name. This will open up the report page with some default settings applied. Now that the report is open, you'll notice a date range option near the top of the screen. This is very important because it controls which transactions are included in the report. Click on the date range area. You'll usually see options like today, this month, last month, this financial year, or a custom date range. Choose the option that best fits the period you want to analyze. If you need something specific, like from the first of one month to the last day of another, select the custom range and set your start and end dates carefully. After selecting your date range, you're ready to generate the report. Look for the button labeled Run Report and click on it. Zoho Books will now process your settings and refresh the page to show the report based on the period you selected. Give it a moment and then review the results on screen. You can now scroll through your report, analyze the numbers, and if needed, adjust the date range and click Run Report again to compare different periods and gain deeper insights into your business.